Oh, finally! Now that I got Mama on DVD, now I'm gonna go watch it. Don't watch it. Wait, who said that? Just don't watch it. It has a scary logo called Universal. If it's scary, trust me. Oh my gosh! It's a ghost in a Rubik's Cube! And you're telling me your logo's gonna creep me out because of it? Just watch it, see. Okay then. Wait, we'll check the disc. Wait, what? Just put the disc in the Xbox One and just watch it. Fine. I guess I'll have to do everything in this house. I don't know why your disc is black, but who cares? Let's get this movie started. Ooh, any of you watch this express screen? Use the spread screen. I'm gonna be skipping previews because I don't have time. Okay. Oh, the FBI warning! I wanna see the movie, not this. Heresy is not a victimless crime. We're at the menu. Let's play. Let's hit play. Alright. With a PG-13 performance to tell disturbing images and dramatic evidence. See how scary this is. Oh no, what's the noise? Oh my god, no. Not the airplanes. No. Not the text. No. Oh my god. Told you, Big Bird. Told you it's gonna scare you.